Hi there, students. To lord it over someone, to lord it over somebody. This is where you behave as if you're more important than someone or everyone else, and you have the right to tell people what to do. You can be as bossy as you like, yeah? You just give instructions, you boss everyone around. Yeah, I don't like it when somebody believes they can lord it over the rest of us. Yeah, it's bossing people around, bullying them, intimidating them into doing things, to browbeat people. Yeah, so you're acting in a way that shows that you think you're much better or much more important. So he's always lording it over his siblings, telling them what to do and where to do it. Because she's rich, she thinks she can lord it over the rest of us and tell us what we should and shouldn't be doing. Okay, so he likes to lord it over the rest of his family. Okay, so to lord it over somebody, to be arrogant, to be assertive, because you have some you've achieved something, or you're richer, or you're smarter, or you come from a better family, or maybe from a better caste. So this guy has been lording it over me at work since he was promoted before I was. His wife is always lording it over him, and he is the apocryphal henpecked husband. Yeah, the boss he always lords it over everyone in the office. It's being domineering, being arrogant. So yeah, the boss does have the right to tell people what to do, but it depends if you do it arrogantly as well. Yeah, if you're doing it arrogantly and in a domineering way, it's not very nice. Yeah, if you're lording it over people, it's like you are being superior. Yeah, that you are better than everyone else, that you came from a better place, you're a better person. Because he comes from Western Europe, he thinks he can lord it over anybody who comes from the third world. No, not at all. Yeah, so you're behaving as if you're in control. You're making a display that you are superior, that you are in control, that you have advantage. You're putting on airs and graces, yeah, and you're saying that, well, I'm just so much more important than everyone else. I am the Lord, and the rest of you are the servants or the churls. And this is the idea of lording it over someone. He was the only person in the class to get an A, and so he was lording it over everyone else. Yeah, he was asserting authority. Yeah, and yeah, you can't lord it over people. You need to just be the same as them. Ask people nicely to do things. Well, lording it over people. I think the British class system means that middle and upper class British people tend to lord it over everyone else because they believe that they are the best, the chosen few, God's chosen people. My God, no, it's not nice lording it over someone. Okay, let's see. Formality, to lord it over. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Something very formal? Probably not. And then to the origin, well, Lord, the Lord is the person in charge, the Lord of the manor, the person who owns everything. So if you're lording it, you are playing or pretending that you're the Lord. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To lord it over somebody.